In this video, I'll show you how to install the iCEnhancer 3.0 natural for GTA 4 and compare the graphics before and after the mod. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the manual download option and select download. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, I recommend you to take a backup of this GTA 4 folder and then open the GTA 4 folder and open this main files patch 7 and 8 and again open the main files. Just try and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. All this done, just close stuff here and launch the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.